And no one was there to tell, and you were there to see it. Was
Morning.
Morning. So we're here at Cypher Wilderness. This is Paul. Paul, can you let me know about some of your products?
Yes, so we're a newly startup business, and we make a lot of products handmade by myself and Marina. It's all made out of military grade canvas that you'll see on what the 12 by 12 tents are made out of, and then when it's surplus to requirement and ripped or damaged, we can then take the better parts out of it and then repurpose it. Some of it is bought from a company that supplies the army, so we can then make newer materials. It's all rot proof, and it's all made by us with the inspiration from old military technology throughout the time, from World War One, World War Two, and that purpose built material and bags that become a legacy. And that's our main aim, is to try and create a legacy product that lasts throughout time and is passed down to generation.
Cool. Can you show me some of your products over here? Because some of these look nice.
Yeah, so we've got some of the tool rolls that we do. There's various different tool rolls, folds over and tucks away, straps up. And then we've got a water bottle pouch, which is a utility pouch, modelled off the PLC webbing. So it's molly on the back, can go on, and we do two sorts of sizes. Then we've got the small EDC pouches, just for small bits, fire starters, and well, your imagination is your key, to be fair. And then for small items there. We've got bag organisers that just slot in the pocket of a bag, laptop bag or something like that, and then just hold pens and other bits and pieces. And then we've got some of our box bags.
Yeah, I like the lining bags on those.
And sort of the lining is done. Just get rid of. The line is done so you can see stuff at the bottom of it.
Yeah.
So you don't lose stuff. But even the orange, then we've gone with the olive lining, so it's not too bright. And then we go through, and then if we work through, we've got the light roll top bags and different sorts. We've got the satchel, and everything is designed and then used our imagination. And the one that started it all is this one. This is my roll top bag. I've gone on the Nijmegen marches twice now, last year and the year before, carrying up to 20 kilograms water, food and stuff like that, and it's been really comfortable. It's designed, I'll show you on this one, it's designed with the load bearing straps, and I originally designed it for myself because I got fed up of being too picky. There's some fantastic bags out there, but I've just taken all the best parts and put it all together with the molly for modular, and it just rolls down. All our hardware is metal, so it's all metal hardware, so it's got more durable with the Cobra clips. And inside the bag is then 3 smaller mesh pockets that come about halfway down, so for smaller stuff.
Yeah.
And then it just rolls up and then clips in on either side. But it's designed mainly for going doing expeditions and actually getting out into the wilderness.
Yeah. Thanks. Everything here looks great. I'm glad I stopped by, and thanks for going everything in such detail. Where can we find you?
We're currently on an Etsy shop at the moment, and as we're so new, we're just building and moving forward. So you can find us on the Etsy shop at Cypher Wilderness.
Okay, cool. Thank you for that.